Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install the Michelin Guardian wiper blades on your car. I'll be installing these wiper blades on my 2017 Subaru Legacy, but the instructions I'm gonna show you also apply to other cars that use a hook arm wiper blade. This here is a passenger side. We need to remove the old blade first. Just push it down and it is removed easily. Now let's open the Michelin wiper blade. It has a tape on the back. Remove the tape and just open it from the top. You can also cut it if you want to. These accessories, we don't need them for the hook arm installation, so I'm gonna discard them. And the wiper blade has these yellow protections. You need to remove the one that is on the hook, and we're gonna remove the one that is on the blade later on. This is where the hook arm should go. Put the hook arm on top of the wiper blade and pull the wiper blade towards you. So it will be installed like this. If the top cover gets loose like it did here, it has two pins on the bottom. Just push it in and then put it back on. And here's the passenger wiper blade installed. And don't forget to remove the yellow protection from the blade. Just slide it out like this, and then it will be removed easily. And now also installing the driver's side is the same, but instead of pushing the wiper blade to remove it, pull it towards you. And one thing important that I didn't mention when I installed the passenger wiper blade is that when you remove the old wiper blade, never leave the hook arm to snap on the windshield, otherwise you risk breaking your windshield. So just rest it carefully on the windshield. And then install the new wiper blade just like you did on the passenger side. But this time push it to install it and then close the cover, and this is also the driver's side installed. And also remove the protection from the blade, of course, before using it. Now let's go and try these wiper blades to see how good they are. Now I have used these wiper blades before. As a matter of fact, I've been using them since about 3 years now. And what I like about them is first that they are silent, and then they clean very well, and they are good in snow, in ice, and also in rain. And they are really durable. To make them more durable, you can clean them from time to time. Just with the soft cloth, you can clean the blade just by passing the soft cloth on the blade, and this way it will last you more time. So overall, I really like these wiper blades.